everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I just have a quick Dollar Tree haul for you today. Found a few items you might be looking for, and I thought I would share them with you, and I am just going to jump in, make it super quick. All right, parchment paper. How many of you use parchment paper when you are baking? I do, and I love parchment paper. So you get 20 square feet with this roll. But then I wanted to try their Sure Fresh pre-cut parchment paper, which comes with 25 sheets. The sheets are 10.7 inches by 13.6. So I think this roll is actually a better deal, but these are pre-cut. So I wanted to try them, and I just cooked up like 3 dozen cookies, and so thought, well, I need to be prepared for next time. All right, what else did I get? I got a windsock. It is the Land of the Free, I think. Land of the Free. Anyway, I guess I'll open it real quick, just show you. I'm going to hang it in the tree outside, but I just hadn't opened it yet. Land of Land. I guess the Free. Land of the Free. And it's a windsock, so I thought it would be fun to hang it up. I don't have a whole lot of decorations outside, so that's what I got there. Then I did pick up some sponges I hadn't seen at Dollar Tree before. Maybe you've seen them, but I hadn't. So they have this cute little brush, like blush brush, and it's a cute little ice cream cone. And then they had these fun pastels and these little, you know, like powder puffs. So you get 3, $1.25, and the brush was $1.20. I'll let you know how it goes. Then I also got cherry scented eyeshadow, which I've not tried before. And it looks like this. Have you seen this? This was all in a little end cap. And actually, I would have thought it would have been out for Mother's Day, but it wasn't that I saw. So maybe it was, but I didn't see it at my store. I've noticed that you all are finding a lot of fun things at your stores, but my store didn't have it yet. I even asked one of the managers about the coin envelopes, and he says, well, I haven't seen those yet, but those on the coast, they get them before we do. I'm like, yeah, I know. All right, so here are the 4 different eyeshadows you get. It's a nice size. You do not get a brush. It does smell good, and it has little cherries on 2 of the matte ones. So I'll try to. Smells good. Then they have at Dollar Tree these white string tags. I don't know if you can see them very well. I'll show you if I can get one out without it all being tangled up. But these would be fun for junk journals, and you may be using them already. They're price tags basically, but I thought they would be fun. They do have a like a finish on them, so you would want to glue something on there if you're going to try to stamp them at all. And you do get a lot. You get 60. So then I've seen these before, and I thought, oh, I don't know if I'll ever use them, but I did think of a use for them. So these are metallic 20 count stickers, and these are flowers in spring, and it seemed like the light's kind of catching them. Have you seen them? Have you picked them up? Just wondering about that. All right. Then, is anyone here a Nancy Drew gal? Anybody? Well, I am. I used to collect Nancy Drew when I was young, and I was in a book club that you got 2 books every month or something, and it was really, really fun. And then we had a hurricane, and all my books were destroyed. So after I got married, I started hunting Nancy Drew books, and I believe I have all of them now, the originals. And then I have the Nancy Drew diaries. I think it's diaries. Files, and then I have some Hardy Boys, but I didn't really get those so much as the Nancy Drew. And then I picked up the 8 that I found at Dollar Tree before, and now they have more Nancy Drew. And I know that might seem kind of silly. It's kind of a thing, but these are called Nancy Drew diaries. So I have the files. These are diaries. And there apparently are a number of them. Let's see, 25. I haven't seen any but these 4 at Dollar Tree. And so I was wondering if you were a Nancy Drew gal or not, or a guy, if you liked the mysteries. I love mysteries, and I think I get that from my mom because she always did too. But anyway, this one is Once Upon a Thriller, Famous Mistakes, Secret at Mystic Lake, and The Haunting on Heliotrope Lane. So I wonder if I should do like book club and read through them with you guys or something. I don't know. Anyway, I love Nancy Drew. I don't know. I haven't grown up yet, I think. All right. I did pick up 3 little books. These are really neat little journals already, just the way they are. And they have like encouragement on the inside, and they have your lines, and then they have like watermark on the back, like flowers. This one is prayer, this one is thanks, and this one is confidence. So I did get them to give away, so we'll see. And then I got some stamps, and these are going to be June's giveaways. And so I know that a lot of you haven't seen everything that Dollar Tree has carried. So for June's Friday giveaways, which I will announce this Friday, we've got the happy words, the thank you words. These are the encouragements. I don't know what you call them. Just sentiments, the different sentiments. Those. And then this one is new. I hadn't seen this one. It's a travel one with a bunch of cute little stamps, which would be cute to use. So be surprised on Friday when I announce that these are the giveaways for Fridays in June. You hear it first here if you're watching this Dollar Tree haul. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. That's really it. It was really fun to go. Also, we went to Redbeard's treasure chest, and I'll be sharing that in another video. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.